Hello everybody, this is ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. Have you ever went to wish.com? Have you ever noticed that sometimes things are free but you just have to pay shipping? You ever wonder how good it is? Well, I'll tell you, it's time for Wish Wednesday. So I got some fluorescent colorant and a group of these wonderful pendant molds that I can mix probably the fluorescent colorant in with the resin to make something really cool, which I will probably do a little bit later on this week, getting closer to Halloween. I also got, for the price of shipping, this bag of 6mm heavy duty round BB type things and a very large box type of mold. Now, it's interesting because this fluorescent powder didn't really look like it was going to do that much, so I used an entire bag and I mixed up a batch and I colored 3 little kind of cool jack-o'-lantern faces. Impossible to pick up with the video, but you can totally see how bright they were with the right kind of shutter speed on a camera. The question was, is it good if you just pay shipping for some things on Wish? And the answer is, yeah, it's pretty good. These are small items. I could have ordered them from AliExpress for about the same price, but I got them from Wish. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe, do all the things, notification bell, and I'll see you again.